What we do is we get basically cream cheese and we top that with mozzarella. We've got some beautiful lump meat crabs. Most of my ingredients into this cream cheese, and then that's the last thing I pour into this before we bake it in the oven. So let's get some Worcester sauce in there. We do want some pepper in there. You get about a tablespoon of that in. Basically 2 of these. You're just going to take off the zest, stay in, and then I'm just going to spread this around, and then we're just going to fold in all of that beautiful crab meat, and then we're just going to spread that out. I'm going to get a layer of this mozzarella and cheddar on the top, and we're going to cook this until it's really bubbling and crispy. There we go. So that's it for the crab dip. There we go, so that'll go in. Charlie charcoal just does the job, doesn't it? That's exactly what you should be looking at there. It looks just really beautiful.